everyone, it's Rochelle and welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with another video for you guys, and this is the look that I am doing. This is pretty much my go-to look. So if you've seen my last video on how I apply my wigs and how I colored this hair, this look is a little bit similar to the look I was wearing in that video. The only difference is the eyelid color, but I used the exact same products. The only thing different was pretty much the eyelid color. Yeah, so this is the look that I'm doing for you guys today. I really love this look. This is like one of my go-to looks, and all the products that I'm using today, you guys, are all my favorite products that I literally cannot live without. Like, I know there's like new makeup coming out every single day and we try out new stuff every day, but this stuff right here is like my ride or die. Cannot live without this stuff at all. Like, my favorite products ever. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys from start to finish how I got this makeup look. And before I jump into the makeup tutorial, I just want to say thank you guys so much for showing so much love on my most recent videos. I really appreciate the love and the support that you guys are showing me. And you guys can leave me comments and let me know what videos you guys want to see next. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the notification bell. That way you can be notified when I upload a new video as well. All right, so let me just jump right into the tutorial and show you guys how I got this look. I'm gonna quickly fill in my brows, and I'm gonna use my Benefit Cosmetics Precisely My Brow Pencil. And guys, whenever I rock colorful hair or I have like really blonde hair, I always make my brows look darker. Like, I just feel like the brows is really make the whole hair and everything come alive. Like, without my brows done and I have this hair, like, I look so dusty. Like, I just feel like with this hair you need to have like a full bead. Like, you have to have a full bead. So I'm gonna take the Too Faced Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer. This is the shade Sand, and I'm gonna use this to clean up my brows, and I'm also gonna use this as my eyeshadow base. I'm completely obsessed with this concealer. It is my absolute favorite concealer ever. Seriously. I find that it's the only concealer that I ever use that doesn't really like crease up under my eyes. Like, I have tiny little wrinkles under my eyes, okay? And my concealer will usually go into my wrinkles and it'll be all creasy, but this one, like, it does not crease at all. So to clean up my brows, I'm just using my matte definer brush. I always use this brush to clean up my eyebrows. So I'm just setting my concealer with some translucent powder. You can use any translucent powder of your choice. It really doesn't matter. So I'm gonna use my Desi x Katy Friendcation Dose of Color eyeshadow palette. This is literally one of my favorite palettes right now. Like, I've been using it consistently almost like every single day. I love this palette so much. I did a review on this palette. I told you guys I love it. When I love something, I use it a lot. And I've been using this palette like almost every day. Now I'm gonna do something simple, easy. So this is like my go-to look that I've been rocking a lot lately, especially with this hair. And I'm gonna just grab this color right here, this eyeshadow. This one is Necessary. And I'm gonna use the Morphe X Jaclyn Hill JH30 brush. And it is a super big, fluffy blending brush, and I really love it. I really do love the Jaclyn Hill brushes with Morphe. They're really good brushes. So yeah, I'm just gonna pop that into my crease, and I'm gonna pull it kind of right into the eyebrow as well. Give my eyes a nice little contour. I'm gonna take the eyeshadow churro. I'm just gonna pop that right in the crease. And I'm using the Morphe Jaclyn Hill JH35 brush. I'm just gonna go back in with the big fluffy blending brush just to soften everything up. So I'm gonna grab the eyeshadow chins and I'm going to pop that into the crease as well. This is a dark chocolatey brown. It's really dark and I love it. It's so pigmented, and it's just gonna make that crease look more defined. Oh, I love this eyeshadow so much. I know it's just a brown, but I just love it. It's so pigmented and it's just really nice dark shade brown. And again, I'm gonna go back in with that big fluffy blending brush. I'm gonna keep the eyelid matte today, and I'm gonna grab the eyeshadow Basic, okay? Cause I'm basic today. I'm just kidding. That wasn't even funny. I'm going to place that all over my eyelid. I've been really feeling matte shadows on my eyelid lately. I don't usually film in my living room. I usually film in my filming room, but I filmed a clothing haul video yesterday and I did it in my living room because my filming room just is not really big enough for like clothing type of videos. So I just did a clothing haul video in this room, and all my equipment was already in here, so I didn't want to have to bring all my equipment back into my filming room. Also for my filming room, you guys know I always use a backdrop, and I either use like fabric as my backdrop or I use seamless paper. And I'm kind of tired of it, you guys. I want to redo my filming room. I kind of want to do like a room situation, not backdrop situation. And I don't know, let me know in the comment section what you guys think I should do. If I do change up my filming room, I will definitely film that video for you guys as well. I mean, I've been planning on filming a video where I show you guys like my lighting, my setup and everything, because a lot of people have asked me about that, and it's something I always wanted to share with you guys. And I'm pretty happy right now with my lighting and my camera. So yeah, I definitely want to share that with you guys. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with some liquid liner. It is brand new, still in the box. I just got it today. So this is the NYX Matte Liquid Liner, and it is one of my favorites. And you guys, I do not like doing my liquid liner on camera because I like when it looks super duper perfect. And I'm just one of those people that have to be like this close to the mirror, okay, to have perfect liner. But I'm gonna try and do this on camera today. So there goes my doorbell. Hold on a second. I'm not gonna talk much while I do this, but I'm just gonna let you guys know I start off with a thin line and then I make the outer corner thicker. Okay, so I'm just gonna add some mascara to my itty bitty lashes. All right, so I'm gonna go in with some false lashes. This is the LILLY Lashes and it's lit. These are like my favorite lashes right now. I'm completely obsessed with these lashes, you guys. They give your eyes like that winged out effect. Like it goes with the eyes are somewhat completed, and I'm gonna move on to my face. I'm gonna go ahead and add a little moisturizer because Lord knows I need it, especially under my eyes. I have moisturizer all over my face already, but I'm just adding the Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Eye Cream. I love this stuff. Just makes my eyes feel really soft. And for my primer today, I'm using the Huda Beauty Complexion Perfection Pre-Makeup Base. I love this stuff. It smells so good, and it keeps my makeup on all day. So I'm gonna go ahead and do some color correcting. I'm just gonna add this stuff under my eyes because, you know, I have dark circles and we need to correct those. So the palette I'm using is by Kiss New York, and it's their cream contour palette. I've had it forever, and I'm gonna go in with a little raggedy brush and just apply that under my eyes. Alright guys, so I found my favorite foundation from the drugstore. This is actually just as good as any high-end foundations. This is literally my ride or die, my baby right now. Like, I love it so much. I started using it a few months ago, and ever since I started using it, I've been like using it every single time I do my makeup. It will literally have you looking so flawless, have you looking buttery smooth. Like, this foundation is everything. So this is the Maybelline Superstay multi-use foundation, and I use 2 shades because unfortunately I'm not able to find my shade in just one. Some of them are a little bit too dark and a little bit too light, so you know, I have to mix them up like I'm a chemist and make sure it works. But I love this foundation nonetheless. I have issues with finding my perfect shade from almost every foundation line. Like, I always have to mix, so I don't really care that I have to mix, but this foundation is everything. And the shade that I'm using is Toffee Caramel and Golden, and it is a stick foundation. So this is the super light one. This one's a lot lighter. And then I'm gonna go in with the caramel, which is a lot darker than my skin. When I put them together, it looks really good. I'm gonna use the Morphe Jaclyn Hill JH03 foundation brush. I love using a foundation brush, especially with stick foundation. It just blends a lot easier, I find. The only thing I do not like about this foundation, it is not a lot of product. Like, it's just not. Like, I go through this stuff so quickly, but I love it nonetheless. Like, it's so bomb. So now I'm gonna go in with some concealer. I'm gonna go in with the Born This Way Too Faced concealer. I think this is an amazing concealer. Like, it's so good. Like, the coverage is amazing for your under eyes. If you love full coverage concealer, this concealer is everything. Full coverage, but it's not drying, so under your eyes feel nice and hydrated, and it looks nice and smooth under the eyes. Like, it's really good, you guys. It's just the shades. I find the shades, I wish they had more options with the shades, because I use the shade Warm Sand. I feel like it looks super close to my foundation. Like, it doesn't really do much to highlight under the eyes, I don't think. And I like my under eyes a little bit brighter. I mean, it does add a little bit of brightness, but I need a little bit more brightness under the eyes. So now I go in with the shade Sand and I apply it on top of that. It's like mixing them together. So now I'm gonna go in with the Morphe Jaclyn Hill JH08 brush, and I love this brush for blending out my concealer. I never thought I'd like a brush to blend out my concealer, but it is amazing. And anything that is hard to reach, I go in with my beauty blender. I'm gonna do some cream contour, and I'm just using the Fenty Beauty Matchsticks. This is in the shade Truffle. Put some along my hairline. Are we doing the jawline today? Yeah, sure, whatever. Don't think I really need it, but I'm gonna do it anyways. And I'm just gonna take this brush. I don't even know what kind of brush this is. It's from BH Cosmetics. Hello everyone. Bye. Bye everyone. Now I'm gonna go ahead and set my face. I'm using my favorite setting powder. This is the Sacha Buttercup setting powder in the shade Buttercup Light. And I'm just using my Zoeva brush. This is the face definer brush. This is actually a contour brush. And I'm just gonna apply this all over my face. Ugh. Really, Rosh? Really? I'm just applying a bit of that powder under my eyes as well, so I am not baking my under eyes because I just feel like that is just not necessary for me to do. And I'm going to take my favorite bronzer. This is the Matte Mineralize Skin Finish in Dark Deep. I'm just going to apply that on the hollows of my cheeks. And also along my forehead. And then I'm just going to go ahead and add some of that setting powder under my contour to snatch and bake that cheek. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and fill in my brows. I'm going to go back in with my brow pencil. I don't really like to make my brows super thick because I just feel like I look better with not super thick brows.
Goodbye.
Bye, honey. Love you.
Love you.
Have fun.
Yeah.
Behave yourself.
Yeah. Huh?
Curfew 10:30. You know the drill. Can you guys tell me, why do cats do that? Like, look at that. He's just like putting his little paws in. Like, what are you doing? He does that all the time. I don't know why he does that. It's cute though. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and dust away that excess powder. I'm gonna go in with my favorite setting spray. This is from Cover FX. This is their Dewy Finish setting spray. Even though I like my foundation matte, I do like using something dewy on the skin, especially when you use all that powder, because it just gives the skin a really nice skin-like finish. You don't have like a powdery, cakey, dusty, dry finish. It just looks nice and dewy. And I just love this stuff so much. Ugh, it's so good. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with some highlighter. I'm gonna use the Desi x Katy Dose of Color, and this one is Chasing the Sun. I'm gonna use the It's My Ray Ray highlight brush. This is the number 4 brush, not blush. I love this brush for applying my highlighter. And I'm just gonna put that at the highest point of my cheekbones. Like, yes, glow come through. Okay. And you guys guessed it, I'm using the same blush I always use. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills blush in, oh, Radiant. Yeah, Radiant. I love it because there's options, but I always use the peachy tone right here. And I'm gonna apply this on the apples of my cheeks. So just gonna apply that on the apples of the cheeks and pull it upwards. And now I'm gonna go ahead and complete the eyes. I'm not gonna leave the bottom of my under eyes like this, even though you could leave it like that. So I'm gonna grab the dark shade, this one right here, the dark brown eyeshadow from the same palette, and I'm just going to run a little bit of that under my bottom lash line. And just apply that under the lashes. I hope you guys are not creeped out by my cat in the background. Just doing whatever the heck he's doing. So I just went to go put my accessories on and change my top real quickly because I'm going out. I'm heading out soon. I gotta finish my lips. I'm gonna go in with some lip pencil, and this one is from Makeup Forever. It's called Limitless Brown. You can use this on your eyes too. And for my lipstick today, I'm gonna be using the Colored Rain Charmed lipstick. It's pink. Really pink. I added the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss in the shade Amber. Oh yes, honey. So this is the completed look. I really love how this look turned out, you guys. Comment down below, let me know what you guys want to see next, and I'll see you guys in another video very soon. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.